Please click on this red button and also click on the notification bell so you know when I upload
So
a
now
video.
that you have finished juicing the cucumber and the celery, look at that.
So to make this super fat burning juice, you need to juice the celery. Yes, the celery and the cucumber, cut them up and juice those two together.
Juicing the cucumber and the celery, look at that. Lots of chlorophyll, very green. But for you to have it moving down your system in a very effective way, you need to mix it. This is water, lukewarm water, or almost hot water. So I have about half a glass of hot with 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, some squeeze of lemon, one teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of honey in here. You're gonna mix it together, and you want to add your celery and cucumber juice. So just drink this first thing in the morning and last thing before you go to bed. It will help to move your digestion, cleanse your stomach, give you that flat tummy. So come back here after 7 days and share with me your result after drinking this wonderful stomach flattener juice. Thank you guys, and remember to subscribe and share the video to all your friends and families. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye for now.